Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create your X Empire account. So first, head into x.com/xempire game. After typing that in, hit the enter button and this page must show in your screen. As you can see here, this is the Twitter page of the game. Now click the play here. And then it will redirect us to our Telegram application or Telegram account. I want you to click the start button and then click the play button here. Now this game will open the web application of X Empire. And as you can see here, we just created our X Empire game. Now feel free to tap that in or explore the game interface. And that's it. That is how you can create your X Empire account, and thank you for listening.